For sure, for sure.
Okay, we have the Glock 44 here, chambered in 22 long rifle. No bullet in the chamber. No magazine anymore. This is the Micro Roni for 9mm Glocks. The question is, can we put the Glock 44 inside of the Micro Roni? It fits.
All right.
But there's a problem. The charging handle doesn't grip the slide like it should. That won't work. This is the solution. It's a 3D printed part screwed into an aluminum aftermarket backplate. No more sliding.